There are three news that is running throughout the country. The first news came from the Kolkata, where PM Modi inaugurated the underground metro from to connect the Kolkata and Howrah district. It is made the underground water of the Hooghly River. Hooghly River is situated between Kolkata and the Howrah, and there are the 580 meters. There was a subway. In that subway, the metro rail is going on, and it was inaugurated by the PM Modi, and it will connect the esplanade of the Kolkata city and Howrah Maidan of the Howrah district, and it will connect the two cities, and it will decrease the burden of the Howrah bridge too. And in Agra, that was also the metro operation that was also started, and it was also inaugurated by the PM Modi virtually from Kolkata, and it will start from the Sikandara, that is the place in the Agra, to the Fatehabad road. There are the 6 metro stations, and 3 metro stations are the underground, and 3 metro stations are the underground, and 3 metro stations that is the elevated. So there are the in UP, Agra has been started. There are the metro route once again, and after the Lucknow, and then after it was started, the next news came from the Kolkata too, and there are the Sandesh Khali accused Shahjahan Sheikh. It was West Bengal government is not in the mood to give the total access to the CBI after besides the order of the Kolkata High Court. But Kolkata High Court sets a deadline for 15 today evening to hand over the Shahjahan Sheikh and its all 3 or 4 cases to the CBI. So this news came from the Kolkata. And third news that is also came from the Kolkata, because not Kolkata, that is the West Bengal. In 2021 Vidhan Sabha election, Mamata Banerjee started a scheme for the women, for the girls, to give the direct cash facility to women center to the girls of the West Bengal. To started the 500 or 100 rupees to give monthly basis to the girls and the women who are the woman head of the family. And this scheme was also practiced and implemented by the some other states to retain the power or to come to the power in the Vidhan Sabha election. That was done by the Karnataka, that was done by the Himachal Pradesh, that was in this budget in Delhi. It is also came the 1500 rupees for the every woman that will be given by the Delhi government to the woman or the girls. And then after, it was started by the Shivraj Singh Chauhan before the Vidhan Sabha election in Madhya Pradesh. That planning name was the Ladli Bahna Yojana. Ladli Bahna Yojana, they give the direct cash facility to the women of the Madhya Pradesh, and it was the very beneficial for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Madhya Pradesh, and they win the landslide victory. So these are the 3 news that are running throughout the country today.